Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where art meets innovation. And today, we are diving into what many professionals consider the best watercolor paint set for serious artists, the Kuretake GANSAI TAMBI 48-color watercolor set. Made in Japan by the renowned Kuretake company, this GANSAI TAMBI set is not just another watercolor kit. It's a fusion of tradition and craftsmanship, tailored for both professional artists and creative crafters alike. With 48 distinct colors inspired by nature, this set offers rich, vivid hues with an opaque quality that sets it apart from typical Western watercolors. The moment your brush touches these paints, you'll feel the difference. The pigments are smooth, not chalky or granulated, and they dry with a slight glossy sheen, a nod to their traditional Japanese roots. Whether you're painting delicate florals or bold abstract work, the vibrancy of the colors remains consistent and true. What makes GANSAI TAMBI special is the formula. Unlike most watercolors that are transparent and subtle, these deliver powerful color in a single stroke. And yet, they blend beautifully, layer smoothly, and, best of all, don't leave those dreaded hard edges when they dry. Flat washes become effortless, giving your work a polished, professional finish. Another standout feature is the size of the pans. These aren't your average tiny half pans. The generously sized pans allow you to use everything from fine-tip detail brushes to larger wash brushes with ease. Whether you're sketching on location or working in your studio, you'll find the handling just as intuitive as the color itself. Inside the box, Kuretake includes a protective sheet that doubles as a mixing palette, and a blank color chart for you to swatch and reference your colors. It's a thoughtful addition that makes your painting process more organized and personal. Presentation matters, especially if you're gifting. The packaging is clean, elegant, and practical. The set is housed in a sturdy cardboard box wrapped in a beautiful green washi overlay, minimalist and sophisticated. Perfect for artists, students, or anyone who appreciates quality craftsmanship. And yes, safety is key. These water-based pigments are ACMI certified non-toxic, which means they're not just stunning, they're also safe for all ages. Whether you're an experienced watercolorist or a curious beginner ready to step into the world of premium art supplies, the Kuretake GANSAI TAMBI 48-color set brings your artistic vision to life in bold, vibrant strokes. The Kuretake GANSAI TAMBI combines beauty, performance, and tradition in one incredible package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dives into the best products the creative world has to offer. See you next time.